Henry Ford had one last idea. An idea that was so significant, it still benefits us to this day. The total amount of man-hours to produce a single car went from 450 hours to just 150 hours. But there was at least one downside to this new way of working. The work had become so monotonous for the workers that more and more people started to quit. New workers were constantly having to be hired and trained into their role, which started to hurt the overall efficiency of the factory. Henry Ford saw this and decided to do something that would be unimaginable today. He announced that Ford would raise the daily salary for all workers from $2.34 to $5 and shorten the workday from 9 hours to 8 hours. More than 10,000 people turned up the next day to apply for a job, and Ford never had trouble losing workers again. Ford had mastered the art of mass production. He recognized that the health of his workers made a difference in the overall quality and output of work. Someone that was well rested and refreshed would come to work and do a better job. At the time, normal factory jobs still required long 10 to 15-hour shifts with only a single day off on Sundays. To give his workers more rest time and to ensure that they came to work more refreshed, he introduced the 5-day work week. Workers would now make $6 per day, but only work 40 hours a week and have 2 days off at the end. He literally invented the weekend. And it worked. Ford saw a noticeable increase in productivity. And after this, almost all industries adopted this working schedule. And it's why we still have it today.